A construction site is an active area where construction or renovation work is being carried out. A preliminary site visit has been taken at Site Construction G3 UTHM. The construction site carried out renovation work, where it involved the improvement or modification of the G3 building. The renovation work involved removing or demolishing existing structures, walls, ceiling, improving the interior spaces of the building, upgrading electrical and plumbing system, repairing roof and earth. From the site visit, our team has identified several potential hazards. Let's see it.
An unorganized waste material could lead to possible danger like tripping.
Having said that, this situation will lead to several occupational safety and health hazards, including the increased risk of accidents where this unorganized material create obstacle and obstruction in the site, increase the chances of trip, slip and fall that eventually lead to injuries. Thus, to mitigate this risk or the precautious action that can be implemented to reduce and eliminate this problem, it is essential to implement effective waste management practices, including proper waste segregation, designated waste disposal area, and regular clean-up.
Next, hanging wiring can indeed pose a potential hazard at the workplace. It may cause an electric accident or injuries during work. Exposed damaged wires can pose a risk of electrical shock to worker or anyone in the area. To prevent this hazard, ensure that all power sources are turned off and circuits are disconnected before working on or handling any wiring. Use proper personal protective equipment such as insulated cloths when working with electrical wiring. And inspect the wiring for any sign of damage, wear or loose connection and repair or replace them as necessary.
Improper maintenance of the part causing it to rust must lead to water leakage that could contain harmful chemicals.
Exposure to these harmful chemicals can lead to various health problems including skin irritation, respiratory issues, and even long-term illnesses. Furthermore, the water leakage resulting from the rusted part can also cause significant damage to the surrounding infrastructure and property. The continuous dripping or flow of water can weaken the structural integrity of buildings, leading to the development of mold and rot. To mitigate this risk, regular and proper maintenance of parts is essential. This includes conducting routine inspections to identify any signs of corrosion or rust and promptly addressing them. Additionally, implementing appropriate protective measures such as applying corrosion-resistant coatings or installing water filters can help prevent the deterioration of parts and the subsequent leakage of contaminated water.
Scaffolding is one of common site equipment. One of possible danger of improper handling could lead to danger like falling from height.
Scaffolding, being a common piece of site equipment, carries the potential danger of improper handling, which can result in hazard situations such as fall from height. It is crucial to follow proper safety protocols and ensure that scaffolding is correctly erected, secure, and regularly inspected to mitigate the risk of accident and protect the well-being of workers.
Unfinished disassembled works has a risk of falling objects that may injure the workers.
To effectively manage the risk of falling materials during the unfinished removal of ceiling frame, it is recommended to implement control measures such as installing a physical barriers or barricades in the work area. These barriers serve to prevent unauthorized access and ensure the safety of both workers and others that present in the site. Furthermore, it is crucial to enforce the use of appropriate personal protective equipment, such as hard hats, for workers at the site. These measures specifically aims to protect workers from potential injuries to the head that may be caused by falling objects.
HIRAT means hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control. It's fundamental to the practice of planning, management, and the operation of a business as a basic of risk management. The most critical HIRAT in this construction site is the work activity of welding, cutting, and grinding, where the risk analysis come up to 20. The hazard that could happen is fire, which can cause life loss, injuries, and property damage. It is recommended that the worker must eliminate non-hazardous substances by enclosing process. A better way to avoid the hazard is by having existing risk controls such as pre-use check, regular maintenance, and safe work practice.
In conclusion, ensuring safety and health in construction site is crucial for worker well-being and mitigating risks. A comprehensive approach is necessary, including analyzing hazards like slipping, fire, falls, electrical, and heat stresses. HIRAC prioritizes hazards based on their impact, with fire and heat stress being the most critical in this project. Moreover, engineers play a crucial role in designing, planning, and implementing safety measures, utilizing their expertise in risk assessment and management to minimize risk and improve the overall quality of construction projects.